Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Learn New Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you so much for your support.
Today we're going to show you guys how to do the Mermaid Tail of Hearts. So let's get started.
I went ahead and wet her hair down and put a little gel just to tame her flyaways. Anything I use in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. You want to start by taking a small section on the right side of her head. Smooth it out. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side by getting a small section on the left side. Smooth it out and bring it together in the back. Okay, so make sure that this back here is going to be smooth. And then you're going to secure these with an elastic band. You don't do it really tight, just do it loosely so it just falls right around her crown area. Okay, so the next step is you're going to go ahead and take another small section right in the front on the right side. Smooth it out. And this time you're going to take this and put your fingers over this and underneath this strand here, bring it forward between those two fingers and then bring it down. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. Take a small section on the left side, bring it back here, put your two fingers on top of this strand, underneath this one, put that strand between your fingers and pull right through. Smooth this out. Then you just secure this with an elastic band. Just slide the elastic band to find the shape of the heart. There you have it. Here's your first heart. Now you're just going to do the same thing. Just go all the way down. I'll do it one more time. Take a small section. I'm just going to go ahead and wet it first. This small section right here. Smooth it. Then grab another small section over here. Smooth it out. Smooth it together. Secure this with an elastic band. When you do secure this, make sure that this elastic band is going to cover the bottom elastic band right here, just like that. Okay, so now you're going to go ahead and take a small section right here on the right. I'm going to wet it down a little bit. Smooth it out. Okay, so you want to put your two fingers on top of this, then find this strand and put it underneath and up into that strand. Then you're going to take this strand here between the finger and pull right through. Same thing over here. Over the strand, underneath the strand, and then take the tail part and pull through. Take this, secure it together, and just shape up your heart. And then you're just going to repeat all the way down. So I'm going to stop here and put a little hairspray. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. We're always up for a good challenge, so if you know of any styles that you would like us to recreate, please leave a comment down below.
We love feedback, so let us know about your success in following our videos and what parts we might be able to improve on.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button. To watch more of our videos, click over there. Until next time, learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye!
Bye guys!